Hi everyone, today I'm going to share to you my unboxing and review of the vacuum cleaner I bought from Shopee. This is QueenMade corded vacuum cleaner. This is very affordable and easy to assemble. So please watch and enjoy my video. Okay, so this is the instruction manual. This is the floor brush. This is the extension tube for the floor brush. Then we have the 2-in-1 brush and the wall mount. Then finally the vacuum cleaner. The cord is about 1.5 meters long, so it's very easy to operate as well. Okay, let's try the vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to clean maybe my floor and the seats here in my house. Okay, you can see the power of the vacuum. So right now I'm going to use the 2-in-1 brush. As you can see, there are dust collected on the dust container. Then let's just continue cleaning until you're satisfied. Right now I'm using the floor brush so that I can easily reach the other end of the chair, the seat. Okay, that's it. Let's try it on the floor. So it's so easy to maneuver because the head of the floor brush is twisting. So right now you can see the dust collected. It's best to clean your vacuum cleaner after using it. Okay, so right now I'm just I disassembled the dust container, and also I'm cleaning the extension tube of the floor brush. That's how you open the dust container. Just lift the sign there on the cup. Right now I've covered the motor so that I can wash the body of the vacuum cleaner or the inlet. Just air dry after cleaning it. So that's it. This vacuum cleaner is really powerful and easy to operate, so anyone in the house can use this. I'm really recommending this product because it's affordable and it's very convenient. Thank you for watching this unboxing and review of the QueenMade vacuum cleaner. Hope you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell icon for future notifications.